Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to post document on LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the start. First we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And after that, go to the post. In the below of the bar here, just have the home and networks, post, notification, and jobs. Click on the post and see about the add a document. Okay, add of the description of descriptive title to your document and choose a file. Click on the choose a file button. Okay, and after that you can click next in the upper of the right corner. Write something or add hashtag and click post in the upper of the right corner. Okay, let's see to view it. And now your document is posted for your LinkedIn account. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to post document on LinkedIn for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.